Welcome to Wickens.
At Wickens, we have been designing and manufacturing heavy-duty racking and storage systems right here in the UK. From our family roots to becoming one of the industry's most trusted names, our mission has always been simple: to provide storage solutions that are built to last. Every project we deliver is backed by ISO certified quality standards, together with our SEMA approved manufacturer status, ensuring safety, reliability and performance. From cantilever racking to mezzanine floors and bespoke systems, our solutions are designed around your needs. It all starts with a conversation. Our friendly team is here to listen, understand your needs and provide you with the perfect solution. Our in-house designers use advanced CAD technology to create precise, tailored solutions, so that you can visualize your project before our factory turns your project into reality. We visit your site to take detailed measurements and assess your unique requirements, ensuring every millimetre of space is maximised safely and efficiently. At our UK manufacturing facility, we handle every stage of production in-house using advanced CNC machinery, from precision punching, accurate drilling, to skilled welding, durable powder coating, and thorough inspection. Every step reflects our commitment to excellence. Once complete, your order is carefully loaded and prepared for delivery, ready for the next stage: installation. Our experienced installation teams work efficiently and safely to bring your project to life, on time, on budget, and to the highest safety standards. Before we sign off, we carry out a final inspection to ensure everything is exactly as agreed, giving you complete peace of mind. At Wickens, we're more than just a storage solutions provider. We're your partner, from first sketch to final sign-off. For heavy-duty racking, mezzanine floors, and custom storage systems, you're in safe hands with Wickens.